All right, traders, as you entered pound dollar short, we got Clark here. Mauricio jumped in pound dollar short. We are looking at your 15-minute chart. Keep your eye on that movement. We had a nice surprise on at 244 was the number for non-farm employment change. 244 was the number. Very nice surprise here, and immediately the dollar yen was the first currency pair we jumped in. We bought the dollar yen. A couple of traders just jumped in pound dollar now. And right now what pound dollar is going to do is hold off at 70. It will break 70, make its way to 63.40. But for you guys now, all right, good job. All right, guys, if you're in the dollar yen, you should be up now 30 points or so. And dollar Swiss, and definitely for you guys that jumped in that. Absolutely, guys. If you as some of your traders jumped in dollar yen, I do have a target. It's a decent target. Make sure that and it was a surprise, guys. One of the nicest surprises here is notice that your spreads on your dollar yen was at 0.5. I mean that's a decent I mean that's a very decent spread there. I mean that was, let's see here. All right, just moving my stop loss, guys, to positive 15. Guaranteeing myself profits. So again, we should be somewhere around the 30-point profit mark there on dollar yen. Way to go, guys. And as for your dollar Swiss, you guys are now definitely at the 25 plus point profit mark. That's your dollar Swiss. Make sure you're taking profits. Yes, and that is gonna happen, guys. That is gonna happen. Your platforms at times does slow down in moments and when the market is in these conditions. So expect that. Expect that. My target for dollar Swiss, I'm gonna say 88.10. 88.10 is my target on dollar Swiss. Absolutely. I see everyone's all smiles. All smiles, huh? They're all smiles. They're all smiles. Well, that's great, guys. If you're all smiles, that's fantastic. But right now, focus on your exit point. Focus on your exit point. We're gonna see dollar yen make another push. Dollar Swiss make another push. Right now, what happens is this area where it's resting, you see dollar yen here and dollar Swiss where it's resting. Mark, apply a horizontal line here. Apply a horizontal line right now. And what you're going to see is another push on dollar yen, dollar Swiss. Eventually, price will make its way back down to this horizontal line. And I will cover that in a moment. But right now, just leave a horizontal line here or grab the tools on your platform there and just draw yourself a regular line here at these levels on dollar yen and dollar Swiss. They will make their ways back to this level. Yep, very good. Yeah, just focus on one currency pair. Focus on one currency pair. Good morning, Michael. You just made it in time, buddy. You just made it in time. Again, for you guys just jumping in, we had a nice surprise. 244,000 was the number. As I said, if we get over 200,000 jobs, we're going to jump in dollar yen, dollar Swiss. And here we go. Yeah, this is a very nice surprise. But as mentioned, guys, some of these Fed presidents are still, as we discussed this yesterday in Thursday's discussion or traders discussion, QE3 is on the table with the Feds. QE3 is on the table. So as you can see, guys, dollar yen will continue to go higher. At these areas is where you need to draw yourself a horizontal line, place a marker, a regular line. Make sure you put a mark here on your chart. We'll come back to that in a minute. All right, guys, I'm going to take a quick break here. I'm going to go over a couple of other strategies with the traders in the room. And that's pretty much. That's how it is. That's a wrap. We made about 35 points on average. Some of you guys made 49. 49, Mauricio, good job. 49 points. Very nice. Now for most of you traders, you call it a day, wrap it up, and what you're gonna do is study the market, study the what happens right before the bell, what happens right after the bell, what happens at 10:30, 11 a.m. at the closing of the BOE and the Euro. All now is just from now on is homework. This is now considered homework, right, Michael? You make your points, you do your tests.